Okay, this is dry, and so are the two crates, little wooden ones. They look like these, and you can either leave them the natural wood color or paint them white like I did. And I put 2 coats on each and let them dry. Now, I did glue these two together on each side, and I had to put the glue directly down on to the wall signs, a lot of it, to let it stick, because I put it on this and then tried to push down on it and it wouldn't stick, and I had to scrape that off of the wood here on that side. But now, as you can see, it sticks real good. Next, I filled in the 2 holes here where the jute rope was, and I put some jute rope through this end and this end and tied it on the back like that into a knot, and that way you can hang it. And next I'm going to put this welcome sign. You get like 3 signs in a pack, and I'm going to put it up like this. And what you need to do is just put you some glue throughout it. Be sure not to burn yourself. But just make sure you just put a little line. And on the edges of it, make sure you've got the glue. And I'm going to slant mine up just a little. And push down hard on it. And again, this isn't wanting to stick either, so you got to put it directly on the wall sign and push down on it. We get my finger guards here. Push down on it real hard to make it stick. And put some on the edge of the E, because you don't want nothing to snag on it. Just come up just a little bit. Put some down here at the bottom of the V. Push down on it real hard. It might take a minute, but if you do it this way, it'll stay. And wherever you've already glued it, push it down so it doesn't pop up, and then do the edge again. It's popped up. Hold the other one down and push. Make sure you have some of these. You get 3 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And just make sure you push down on it. Okay, that should hold real nice and good. Now, I did buy from the Crafter Square section these type of butterflies. And what we're going to do, they're little stickers. Put you some glue on it, and just put you some butterflies going along. Leave some room up on top so you can put some ribbon. Make a ribbon garland. And have them going in different directions. And you can pick out any. You can have dragonflies, ladybugs. If you want to get them from Walmart, you can get ladybugs. From Temu, you can get bee stickers. You can do any, or even flowers. Have that one go that way. And I'm just gonna, but this is gonna have greenery in it. I'm even going to use the medium and the small ones. And then I'm going to use these two real little ones here. Be careful if you get back. You can't be over here, baby. Come on. Go on, baby. Sorry about that. He likes to be right there with me. Got him when he was real little. And he don't feel good. And when he don't feel good, he likes being with me. And then this other little bitty one, I'm going to put it right there. Okay, next I'm going to use this ribbon. Just make it a bit longer and cut it off. Get you some, putting the glue directly on the ribbon, because I can't flip this back. But again, be careful not to burn yourself. And put it on the other side too. You can't flip it back because of the crates down here. So you might want to put your ribbon on first. Okay, next with the same ribbon, I'm going to make a little bow. All you do is glue it. Just cut you off about 10-12 inches and glue them together. And then take it and crinkle it up. Get you some jute rope. And tie it off. Sorry about that noise. Kitty cat back there knocking stuff down. And just double knot it. And then cut the ends off so you can't see them. And that's what it looks like. Make sure it's even. And then put your little glue on it. Center it. Okay, next you take the greenery or you can use flowers. It doesn't really matter which way you go. And I'm just bending this like this to get it in here. And let's do the other one. Take that label off. Now you can also put styrofoam down in these and glue them and then cut each stem off. But I want to use these later on in a different project. Now, rearrange the stems. Let me bring this up so you can see it. This is what the finished project looks like. Okay, that's it for today's DIY video. Thank y'all for stopping by and checking it out. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and select all so you don't miss any future videos. If you would, please be so kind and share the video with others. That way it helps get my video and my channel out there. And if you're new and subscribing, so you'll be entered into the 2 giveaways I have, leave me a comment. Let me know you entered into the contest. That way I'll have your name to jot down and put in the drawing. Alright, hugs and kisses from Kentucky. Until next time, bye.